Hi, Mrs. Pamela. It's a pleasure to stay with you here in Brazil. Talking our channel about the course. Speak about the course.
Yes. Well, we're here in Brasilia at the L.H. Martin Institute from Melbourne University, Australia, to work with people working across the federation, the network, to talk about the challenges that we all face in vocational and technical education, to learn about new leadership approaches and the importance of innovation and thinking outside the square, doing things differently.
Okay. And about this group, what do you think about this experience? May you share your opinion?
I'm very impressed with the strong network because the participants understand the power of a network of sharing knowledge, sharing ideas, learning from each other. Just like we can learn from Brazil and Australia, we can share our understanding. The network is a very powerful force for sharing innovations. But I think the challenge is to get the message outside also to the community, to industry, to the government, and in that way you can be even more powerful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, it's a pleasure. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.